What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at Bitcoin. Yesterday, we did leave with this reversal right over here from the breakout of this descending channel, okay? We wanted to see a nice breakout from the $32,800 range all the way up here to $33,200, approximately a nice 1 hourly candle with some nice volume. We did not see that, so we got struggled here as resistance. I'm going to tell you why we did also, and where can the Bitcoin price go in the immediate short term. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? I'm going to give you my most likely scenario that I think is going to happen. And we're going to take a look also at Ethereum getting massive rejection here at the $2,000 range here as expected. What is Ethereum going to do? Are we going to manage to break out here and continue to the upside, or are we going to have a massive rejection from the $2,000 area and come all the way down to the 1,800? I'm going to give you my opinion what is going to happen. Remember, if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt trading platform. This is my favorite day trading platform. If you use the link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% added on top of what you deposit. My favorite swing trading platform is Bybit. If you use my link in the description, you're getting the best bonus available, which is up to $600 worth of bonus. Only for experienced traders, guys. I'm getting a small commission. You're getting the best bonus. Let's dive in straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I do daily TA on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. I also do live streams to connect with the community. I need you to do me one favor. Let's try and get this video to 300 likes. Make sure to smash up the like button. Said this, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's go straight into the chart. All right, zooming out here on the price of Bitcoin, we are currently just about to break this major level. It might be a fake out. We're going to check this out, so when the video comes out, you have a clear perspective on what is going to happen. Let's zoom out here on the 4 hourly chart. We can clearly see that we are still in this kind of descending wedge, descending channel. It's more of a wedge, so we are getting bounced here from support and resistance. You know, major level here to break the resistance here, which would be about the 33,400, 33,000, all depending on where we are going to break it out, if it's going to be in between, you know, this week and next week. And also this major support level still here. If we break it, guys, you know the deal I'll be mentioning. If we do break it, we might come down as low as $28,000 Bitcoin. If we break the resistance, then we know the target is all the way to the $36,000 range. Now let's zoom in here on the 1 hourly chart. And as we mentioned yesterday, you know, we did have a clear reversal. I explained why we had this reversal. We did see like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves here. And then we saw a nice green candle breaking here from this resistance of this downward channel. You know, a huge amount of volume. So this was a clear trend reversal. Now, if we go to the 15-minute, we did talk about, you know, potentially this breakout from over here, $32,800, you know, potentially getting a breakout, then a bounce here and back up again. We did kind of do it right over here. It was a very quick scalp, but it was very choppy. I remember if I said, you know, we want to see a nice clear 1 hourly candle breakout from the $32,800 with some volume like this or like this, okay? None of this, because, and then, you know, we came straight back in. If we go to the 15-minute chart, you can also see this was a kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. We have the first impulse there, correction, you know, the third impulse, and then the fifth impulse. So, you know, just to be clear, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you can see, we are creating a round formation. So there was no volume at all. It was very likely that this was gonna, you know, lose steam just like it did right over here. Now, we were getting a bounce here. This is the 15-minute chart, okay? Zooming in here on the Bitcoin price. Now, we do have this candle over here, you know, with this amount of volume on the 15-minute. You know, we should be getting some kind of support. We did get some support right over there, but it looks like the bears are gaining some momentum. So if we do have a clear breakout from the $32,200 region where we're currently at approximately, if we break down, you know, easily to the 31,800, then guys, this is going to be a trading opportunity in my opinion. If we do have a nice 1 hourly close here to the $31,800 region, if we retrace, guys, then this would be a nice selling point. All right, this is a major resistance area. So if we do break down, come back, get in and get out here, retest it as a small double bottom. So this is my take. This is the bearish case scenario. I'm going with the bearish because we are kind of breaking down. We do not know if it's going to be a fake out. We want to see more volume. If we kind of get some candles here, choppy candles, this might be a fake out and we might be reversing all the way back up to the $32,800 region. Now the bullish case scenario would be getting some type of fake out around this area, around the $32,000 area. And if we do manage to come up to the 32,000, we want to see a nice 1 hourly candle close above 32,800. Then, if we do have a nice hourly close there with some nice volume, then the retracement, it is very, very likely that the 32,800 is going to act as heavy support, just at it like it did right over there, like right over here, also major resistance here. And this was just, choppiness, fake out, no volume. We want to see a nice 1 hourly close above 32,800, then potentially place a trade on the retracement. So that would be the bullish and bearish case scenario. This is looking at the 15-minute chart, guys. So this is what I got for Bitcoin. Remember, PrimeXbt is my favorite day trading platform. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% added to your deposit. This is the best bonus available out there, guys. You cannot withdraw the bonus. It is used for buying power. If you do not know how to trade on PrimeXbt, there's a tutorial down in the description in the tutorial section. Now let's take a look at Ethereum, currently getting a massive rejection around the $2,000 area like expected. We are currently having a major drop while I'm recording this video, like Bitcoin, as you can see right over here. So I'm going to give you my point of view. If we break some different support and resistance with such amount of volume, then I'm going to give you my take on where the price can go. So yeah, we were clearly expecting this massive rejection at the $2,000 range. It has been major resistance over here, been major support there, and we did create like a head and shoulder formation, as you can see here. So we have the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder a little bit lower than the left shoulder. Okay, so we perfectly break out. We were coming down. So yeah, whoever took this trade has been in massive profits. Now we did have a nice retracement here, got rejected just as expected at the $2,000 region. Now what can we expect for Ethereum? Well, if we do break the $1,870 range, okay, very, very nicely here from this fake out, then eventually we are going to come down to the $1,800 region. This is a major support range. As you can see right over here, we did get several bounces as support. This is the $1,800 area. So if we lose 1,870, which is this fake out over here, we did get quite a good support. We did mention also this in the channel that we were going to get some kind of bounce around the $1,900 range, which we did. We had support, we had resistance, so then we got a massive bounce. If we lose this area, 1,800 is very, very likely, and this is almost already reaching the target, okay, from this ascending wedge. Okay, we have the ascending wedge right over here. Sorry, this ascending wedge right over here. We know the target of the wedge, it's around at the bottom of the wedge, which would be around about the $1,800 region. And we have also the head and shoulder right over here, which also the target is all the way down here at the $1,800 area. So the most likely scenario is that we are going to retest 1,800, but if we kindly get a really nice bounce at the $1,900 region again, like we did right over here, we actually went all the way down to 1,870 approximately, we could create a double bottom scenario. So the bullish case would be absolutely great here for a double bottom, because we do know that we do have massive resistance here at the $2,030 approximately. We have the support there, we have resistance there, we have resistance right over here. So, if we do get a bounce again from here, this would be a very, very, very tradable event. If we create this double bottom scenario and break $2,030 approximately, we want to get way above 2,050 with a nice hourly candle, with some nice volume right over here. Then eventually this is going to be a great trading opportunity. You want to probably get into the retracement. This is going to be heavy support if we do manage to break it to the upside, the 2030, 2050 range. You want to break all the way up to 2,100 to 2,150 with some nice volume, wait for the retracement and potentially exit most of your profits at a double top scenario right over here. Or if we are going to have a double bottom scenario like this, then yeah, the measured move from a double bottom is getting, you know, the support all the way to the resistance. And then from the breakout, yeah, this could take us all the way up to the $2,200 area, which is also major resistance. We can see here several bounces as support and one over here, a couple of them as resistance. So it would make sense by breaking this level, getting most of your profits. If we do have a clear breakout of 2050, most of your profits can be taken at the $2,200 range. This would be the bullish case scenario for Ethereum, okay? Thank you very much, guys, for joining in. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, make sure to check it out. We've got the latest news and articles, the latest technical analysis. We've got exchange reviews, so you can check out where the best bonus is available, where the best fees are. It is totally free information. The link is in the description, so you can check it out. Bitcoinsensus website. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial to learn how to trade, video popping up on the screen. Thank you for joining in, and I'll see you in the next one.